English speaking grammatically 7 a.m.
What a splendid aya. What a lovely noise. What a lovely voice. What a lovely face. What a beautiful face. What a tragedy. What a tragedy. What a tragedy. What a nuisance. What a nuisance. What a nuisance this fellow. What a shame. What a shame. What a shame. What a disappointment. What a disappointment. What a dull day. What a dull day. What a dull day. What a mistake. What a mistake I have done. What a mistake I have done. They are thinking like that. What a lovely day. What a lovely day. What a peaceful day. What a peaceful person he is. What an astounding bit of luck. What a delightful surprise. What a delightful surprise. What a hurried place. What a horrible place. What a horrible place. What a horrible place. What an extraordinary thing to do. What an extraordinary thing to do. What ugly surroundings. What ugly surroundings. What nonsense. What nonsense. What nonsense. What nasty weather. What nasty weather. What nasty weather. What rubbish he does talk. 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 What a person he is. What a charming 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 person he is. What times those were. What times those were.